I asked a Mexican vendor for water at the stadium. He looked at me like I was crazy. Turns out, I said something completely different. These 25 words would have saved me. Word 1. Güey. This is the most common word in Mexican Spanish. You will hear it every 30 seconds at the World Cup. It means dude, mate, guy. Between friends, it is completely normal. Said to a stranger, it can be offensive. Güey. Think of it as the Mexican version of dude in English. Word 2. Chido. It means cool, awesome, great. Que chido. How cool. Está chido. That is awesome. This word is purely Mexican. You will not hear it in Spain or Argentina. Chido. Word 3. Neta. It means truth, for real, seriously. When a Mexican fan says neta, they are saying, I am not joking. Neta, ese gol fue increíble. For real, that goal was incredible. Neta. Word 4. Chela. It means beer, not cerveza, not birra. Chela. At a Mexican stadium, if you want a beer, say, una chela, por favor, and every local will know exactly what you mean. Chela. Word 5. Ahorita. This is the most dangerous word in Mexican Spanish. It technically means right now, but in Mexico, it can mean in a few minutes, in a few hours, maybe tomorrow, maybe never. If a vendor says ahorita, your food is coming at some point. Ahorita. Word 6. Cuate. Q-U-A-T-E. It means buddy, close friend, twin. Originally from the Aztec language Nahuatl. Mi cuate means my buddy, used between close friends only. Cuate. Word 7. Chamba. C-H-A-M-B-A. It means work, job. Not the most exciting word, but you will hear it constantly. Tengo chamba means I have work. No hay chamba means there is no work. Chamba. Word 8. Chamaco. C-H-A-M-A-C-O. It means kid, young person. If a Mexican fan calls you chamaco, they think you look young, usually not an insult. Chamaco. Word 9. Nel. N-E-L. It means no, nope, not happening. The shortest and most direct way to say no in Mexican slang. Nel pastel, if you want to be funny. Nel. Word 10. Chale. C-H-A-L-E. It means no way. Are you serious? When something bad happens, your team misses a penalty, you say chale. Chale, no puedo ser. No way, this cannot be happening. Chale. Word 11. Feria. It means money, cash, coins. Technically, feria means fair or festival, but in Mexican slang, it means money. No traigo feria means I do not have cash on me. Feria. Word 12. Cabrear. It means to make someone angry. Me cagrea el árbitro. The referee is making me furious. You will hear versions of this word directed at referees constantly. Cabrear. Word 13. Órale. You already know this word from a previous video, but here is something you did not know. Órale originally comes from the Spanish phrase ahórale, meaning now to him. It evolved over decades into the most versatile word in Mexican Spanish. Órale. Word 14. Mande. It means pardon, excuse me, what did you say? If a Mexican says something and you do not understand, say mande. It is polite and respectful, much better than saying que or como. Mande. Word 15. Padre. Padre literally means father, but in Mexican slang it means cool, great, excellent. Que padre. How cool. Está muy padre. That is really great. Same word, completely different meaning. Padre. Word 16. Fregón. It means someone who is excellent at what they do, the best player on the team. Es un fregón. He is incredibly good. A high compliment in Mexico. Fregón. Word 17. Echar la hueva. It means to be lazy, to do nothing, to waste time. What you do during a boring 0-0 match. Echar la hueva. Word 18. Pistear. It means to drink alcohol, to party, to have drinks. Vamos a pistear en el partido. Let's go drinking after the game. Purely Mexican slang. Pistear. Word 19. No manches. It means no way. Are you serious? Oh, come on. Safe to use in any situation. When the referee gives a red card to your best player, no manches, árbitro. Come on, referee. No manches. Word 20. Chingón. Warning, this is a strong word, but you will hear it constantly at Mexican stadiums. It means the absolute best, someone or something incredibly impressive. Ese gol fue chingón. That goal was absolutely incredible. Use with caution. Chingón. Word 21. A huevo. It means absolutely yes. Hell yes. Of course. When your friend asks, "Are you coming to the game tonight?" A huevo. Strong language but extremely common. A huevo. Word 22. Pinche. It intensifies whatever comes after it. Pinche árbitro. Damn referee. Pinche goal. Incredible goal. It can be negative or positive depending on tone. Used constantly in Mexican football. Pinche. Word 23. Sale. It means okay, agreed, sounds good. The Mexican version of deal. When you agree with someone, say sale. Sale, nos vemos en el estadio. Okay, see you at the stadium. Sale. Word 24. ¿Qué onda? It means what is up? How are you? What is going on? The most common greeting in informal Mexican Spanish. ¿Qué onda, güey? What is up, dude? ¿Qué onda? Word 25. Híjole. The last word, in one of the most Mexican words in existence. It expresses surprise, shock, wow. When something unbelievable happens, a last-minute goal, a terrible miss, an incredible save. Híjole. No translation needed. You will feel when to use it. Híjole.
These are 25 words you will never find in a Spanish textbook, but you will hear every single one at the World Cup in Mexico. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. Every like tells me to keep making these. Subscribe so you do not miss the next 25 words. The bell too, so YouTube actually shows you the video. Nos vemos en el Mundial. See you at the World Cup.